Hey guys, this is Pradyun here, PB Prime Plane. Today I'm going to show you how to download Python on your desktop or PC. First, what you're going to do is you want to go to python.org/downloads. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So now what you're going to do is you're going to download one of Python's versions. And by the way, let me tell you, this is Windows 7 which I'm running, and so the latest version, which is Python 3.01, won't work on this, so I'm going to use Python 3.7.6. You can use 3.8.1 because if you have Windows 10. So here what you're going to do is you're going to go to the executable installer, and it's going to ask to run it and install it. So it's very simple. You just have to click on the Windows x64 executable installer, and you're just gonna get the download, and you just have to run the command, allow it, and now it is in progress. Setup is in progress and it's downloading. It may take some while, a few minutes, sometime. Just have some patience. I guess now it's gonna come. Now it's gonna come. So setup is successful. So now we can just close it, and now we're gonna go to the HP logo. We're gonna search for a program. We're gonna search for Python, and there you can see we've got the IDLE Python 3.7. For the bit version, we're gonna open that. We got it. So now we're in the shell version. We can use any of this. You can print any command. You can do quizzes. By the thought of quiz, I have another video on how to make a quiz in Python. The link is going to come now. Just click on that link and go. And now you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video.